Hi, I'm Woffles Wu, and today I'm going to talk to you about eye bags. So in plastic surgery, one of the most common complaints we get is about under eye circles and bulging eye bags. And strangely enough, the two of them are related. You get rid of one, you get rid of the other. So what is an eye bag? An eye bag is a collection of fat in the under eye area, which as it continues to bulge, gives you a kind of a shadow or a semicircular line underneath it. Makes it very obvious, makes you look tired. And in many patients, the fat, which is just underneath that very thin skin of the lower eyelid, is filled with a lot of blood vessels, and there can be decongestion, there can be slow passage of blood, and so the eye bags can look either reddish, greenish, or bluish. And when you remove the eye bags, together with those little blood vessels which are inside, you suddenly get a very nice, smooth under eye area without the discoloration that people complain as dark eye rings. So the method I like to employ is a method I've been using for the last 30 plus years. And it is a special incision done inside the eye. I don't make a scar on the outside. I go inside the eyelid and I look for the fat only, and I pull the fat out. I don't cut the skin, I don't cut the muscle. And that means that there is no scar and the patients have an extremely natural result. A common question my patients ask me is, how long is the recovery after your eye bag surgery? So using the technique which goes inside the eyelids, the recovery really is maybe 2 or 3 days. Because there is no external scar or external wound, there's no stitch removal, there's no external line, and bruising is really kept to a minimum. So the stitches that we use are inside the eyelids, and these just dissolve on their own within 4 to 5 days. So the recovery is pretty quick, between 2 to 3 days, maximum 4 days. I have some patients who ask me, "Doc, what about the excess skin? Won't there be a lot of baggy, loose skin?" And the answer really is, as long as you don't touch the skin nor the muscle underneath it, when you remove the eye bag fat from inside, the muscle will contract and adopt the new shape of the lower eyelid, and as it does so, it will pull the skin inwards. And I always tell patients, it's similar to somebody who's just given birth. They've been pregnant for 9 months, and there's this big belly, and then suddenly the baby comes out, and within a couple of weeks, you'll see that the abdomen shrinks, and all that skin shrinks and disappears as if the patient was never pregnant. So that's the same thing with the eye bags, if you want to compare pregnancy with eye bags. Thank you for listening. And if you found this video interesting, please like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.